Priority left.
Hello folks, welcome to my cockpit video. They're doing a run-up check on this A330. They're checking to see all the annunciators. Everything is in place before the engine startup. I'll give you a little background. I used to be an airline pilot in the States. I flew for about 10 years as a first officer, then moved myself as a captain. So they're checking the center column, which is the ECAM. ECAM stands for Electronic Centralized Aircraft Monitor. It gives you all the information on the engines as well as hydraulics, flight control, fuel pump, air conditioning pack, all the information that is critical for the flight is on the center column. So this is the first initial run-up engine start for the Airbus A330 that we sold to one of the customers. I thought I'd make it interesting to give you a little voiceover on the things that they're doing. So hopefully it makes it interesting.
必要的还是什么？都可以，都可以的。他打1、2、3、4，随便。对。对，有东西就好。
So as you see, they flip through different type of pages. Air conditioning pack. That's what you see. On the top is the engine instrument. And also you can see which door is closed, which door is open. Flight controls. So they're doing the I believe they're doing the flight controls now before the engine starts. Double checking the annunciator on the overhead panels. That's where the hydraulic, fuel, electronic, pressurization, lights, they're located. So he's checking everything to see if everything. Okay, turn it off. That's what it is. Master warning. Whenever you're in a flight, you hear that. That means watch out. Something is coming up important. And the yellow light that you listen to right now, dong. That's a master warning. Sorry, master caution. So one is warning and one is caution. It's a warning that you have to pay.
Priority left.
So right now, priority left or priority right gives the flight control to the captain or to the first officer.
Priority left.
Priority left is the captain.
Priority right.
Priority right is the first officer.
So they extend the flap.
That's that.
Yeah.
It looks like he's extending the flap. As you can see on the bottom screen. I don't know, it doesn't show too well, but he just extends the flap all the way down.
control.
昨天说不用嘛，不用。昨天他们说 do you need to operation flight control?
Flight control.
Operation.
To left, right,
Ready.
up,
Down.
down.
You control arrow.
It's okay. That's all. Because we need the.
C'è che muove le ore,
You can move the room.
Yeah.
Need rudder arrow. Yes. You can see. Yeah. Arrow.
Rudder.
Rudder. 你要踩往前面。
So they're gonna check the rudder. As you can see, the bottom. Pay attention to the bottom where he's pointed. Okay, now it's full right. Back to center. Full left. And back to center. Master warning again.
Also, master warning.
Each time you disengage the autopilot, you get a master warning. It is to make sure that you want to toggle that off in flight. It's very important to get a warning, otherwise you may accidentally disengage the autopilot without knowing it.
Uh, 你说那个 PHC 啊？对啊。它失效，哦，对，它那个跟它有关系。对啊。OK 了。
Elevator, yes.
So elevator testing right now.
OK。
Okay, 2 up.
Okay, you can see 2 up,
Neutral.
neutral, and then they're
2
pressing
down.
it down. That's
Okay.
the one
Neutral.
right next to the, right above the rudder.
Down.
Lotus。pitch，它要 pitch 的。pitch。FM2 为什么？ OK。Yes。出门。
So sorry about the quality because I have to crank up the visibility so that they can see the ECAM.
Maybe it's computed.
So he's keying in the electronic flight instruments. EFIS.
No, pero van afuera.
他们是这样，是我那个度过。
这有问题啊，它这个有问题啊，它这没办法出来啊，现在有问题啊，你看嘛，这个有问题。哦，收到吗？是吧？看看怎么说。
那我们就
Start the engine.
Yeah.
8818。8818。
Engine start.
超过了。然后 NDSK lost way speed。
So they're going through the checklist right now to see, make sure everything is according to the checklist.
ACP OK。好 ，speed brake lever，你check。brake lever上。好，走到。lever。好。
So they're retracting the flaps now.
Yeah.
So the indicator says flaps up.
Yes. Yes, electric, normal,
DC.
AC, normal, hydraulic.
So the electronic AC/DC pack.
We had shooting saucer, and the oil quality is good. That's still a little bit on
I need a service.
need the service. That will be fine.
It's checking the hydraulic system.
Secret brake,
那个再加点油就。So
secret brake, base.
Brake space.
so
brake.
the brake.
Yes. Okay.
OK。
So 我们就shutdown engine 了。
Sensore dello stage.
超过了。
超过了。
超过了。第二颗都已经8分钟了。OK，那么下单。
Okay, so number engine in number 1 shut down as you pull back the lever.
OK。
So
N3
power down of the N3 with the turbine.
please.
The exhaust temperature is coming down.
Un avión bien viejo, ¿cierto?
Bueno, está bueno cuando ya está en delivery, las hecho. Cuando hagan run-up,
run-up，我也不知道，
给它 stable。
Bien viejo, ¿cierto?
bueno, está bueno cuando ya está en delivery, las hecho. Cuando hagan run-up,
run-up，我也不知道，
给它 stable。
对。
来预计一下。
可以了啦，
可以了。
算。对，很记得哦。我以前是这个。
So both engines are shut down right now.
但是故意差就是买的少。
好。Gracias。
比如说你可以用多1-2火，今天是4点半上班，而你的课可能要。
Lights.
可是你这个课可能原本就是3点，但是有可能班是2个组，然后我们比如4点半上班，然后你当6点下班，它就是在挪动，所以说我们
不礼貌。
对。
看一下小车车长
feel 一下。
He's cycling through the page to see if there's any error. That's a fuel, the fuel pump.
等一下我们要这个要调位啊，它比较慢，慢这边。
So fuel pump is normal.
我们从那个 prepare 开始做，它比 prepare カビ台嘛，カビ台来 test， 来 test 上。
Looking to check all the annunciator, the light is in the correct position.
Light，那个 external light select，那就 select 这是看谁。你们现在还在 on 的位置，按掉 on。ECAM pressure check opera open.
Okay, normal. Cabin pressure normal.
Pressure.
They're checking the cabin pressure right now, indicating normal at this time.
Menu 的部分。
应该是 OK。没得关起来。这是听那个。
这 menu Boss and gut。
menu select
这里啊，刚刚我们是 menu 嘛 ，boss and gut。ECAM second breathe。
pressure normal。
AP freeze on。这个应该不，这个是
那个不用，那个不用。
所以等它掉回来就可以。对。后来就再找。
So at this stage, it's quite normal to get the master warning and master caution because this is the first time that the engine has been run up. It was in storage. The aircraft hasn't been moving.
Yeah, it's closing now.
So whatever the discrepancy that they find in this run-up, they will make a note, and the maintenance will go and check the problem and fix the problem to get the aircraft certified. So this is the engine fire warning test. As you can see, the left and the right engine lights up with a warning. Okay.
配这个钢炮。这个炮 ，OK，
是 off 吗？
放，就这样的，盖的，回去弄了。你很多配了，配，我也放地图。OK， 大意是上的，然后一看都配局。来，你不要那个，
还没关。
对，
其他关。
不叫关。那个一都没关好。
So right now you see the flashing yellow on the bottom monitor. That's the electronic flight compartment, which is located on the belly, forward belly.
说的那个，
现有关系哦。
一闪一闪的。
会一直闪啊，代表就觉得怪怪的啊。
怪他老顾啊，东西坏了，他妈的。
坏了，你先关看看嘛。如果坏了，我们这里能修吗？
好了，
如果你确定它，
我会下来给他踩一踩就好。
没关系啊，那就先这样。
没关系，先这样子好了。
我都知道，我们不用妹你了，我们我头就好。
Left engine number 1 start.
好，来，我们1号 engine start clear.
Okay, the ground is indicated it's clear, meaning the cockpit can start the engine. Okay, pressure is coming up.
That's it.
Okay, N3 rotate. That's the turbine. N1 rotates. The N1 is the fan. You have to monitor the EGT, make sure it doesn't go too high. So slowly the engine is starting to warm up.
6、8、9、60。
You can hear the background. The engine is starting.
65、
65啊，365。
OK stable。没什么给我了 EGT 367 OK 刚好。
The EGT is stable.
没关系，那我们直接换就好了。
对对，
对啊，这个没问题。这个不用钱。
等一下没有2位你上来就好了。
是谁生成的？
OK， 我们右边 engine start。
Okay, number 2 engine starts.
对，要不然你看不到这个。
After the second engine starts, it's stable, and then we start. Yeah.
OK，
好来，
打右边 engine start。
它 CB 没吧？它 CB 没吧？
我把它拔掉了。
它没有上去，连起来没？
那2位你来哦。
That's it.
OK。Stop open. OK. And 3 rotate.
And 3 rotate. And then and 1 rotate. That's the fan part.
21、22、12、2 rotate。
15一个就来了。
So you have to take the look at the exhaust temperature and make sure it doesn't go above the recommended degrees. Once it hits the maximum, it will come down. So in case it goes above the certain value, the captain or the co-pilot can cut off the engine.
5、6、7、8、60、66 stop all close。OK。OK N2 63 OK stable。
马上是这样的。
Okay, number 2 engine start complete.
按它 S 吧。来左边来啊。
左边。
1、2、我来了。
S 吧。
3、
OK。
4、
message 来。
5没有来 OK。
Checking the bleed air valve.
后来等一下 OK disagree。
Number 2.
1后来
Ice message.
4、5 OK no message no 4 oh go OK
我们试一下那个 flight control。
flight control 的。
We check the flight
你
control.
要叫他插pin吗？
OK， 我们 steering 帮我们插着，我们要踩 rudder 啊。
Okay, they're gonna start the rudder test again on the flight control page.
吹个冷气啊。
好，谢谢。
因为左边。
Okay, so the aileron going right, that's going up.
Full right.
Going full left.
Okay.
So the
Neutral.
left one goes up.
Okay.
Yes. Left.
Going down.
Yes.
Forward.
Forward up.
Yes.
Neutral.
Then back to neutral.
Spoil up.
Spoilers.
Okay.
All up.
Spoil up.
Brother.
Aileron.
Ailerons.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right side we're going down. Yes. Normal. Okay.
来踩 rudder 啊。
Okay, rudder right. Neutral.
Neutral. Left.
And left.
Neutral. Okay.
Rudder train.
Rudder chain.
Rudder trim.
刚吹一点点，不敢吹太大。
As you can see, it's gonna move to the left or to the right. I think to the left right now. So it's trimming.
没有吹那么大。
Just gonna do slight trimming at this time. Okay, make sure it's working. Now back to the center. And then now going to the right with the trim tab.
Okay, we're in the moment pitch change.
Okay,
Normal.
normal. Going back to center again.
Okay, normal.
So they're doing the pitch trim at this time. This is manual pitch trim. Usually in the control column that you have the electronic pitch trim, which is easier when you're flying. Okay, pitch down.
Okay, our bring band. Okay, normal. We will change the 4 degree up 4. Okay.
Go to the pages, please.
So recycle the pages, see everything is working correctly.
Oh, page
Click on the flight control page.
Flight control page.
Okay.
要 close 要那个
这对下档了。
Okay, so they done their test and are ready for shutdown the engines.
Do you need to report the engine idle report? Do you need or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Will be good.
那你 print 一下 engine idle report。
这样比较硬的，那质感不够。
质感不够，不会，这个只有差不多这么长而已。
是，
这个只有这么长。
这台应该不会印这么长的啦。
不知道。
你用shutdown report，大概所有东西都一直这样。
没有了，换 close。
Well, there you have it. I hope this it's not too boring with the at least this time with my voiceover. So hopefully you enjoy this this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down there in the comments section. So there are a few more minutes here. I'm just gonna let you guys watch and watch the procedure. They're gonna shut down both engines. So hopefully you enjoy the day, and I'll upload more videos fairly soon. I'll come up and say hi again and maybe do a update video.
Because already shut down, you cannot get this.
But we also will bring the PFR for you.
Yes.
跟那个 APU 的
Repair will be grumpy.
现在 APU。
Okay.
OK， 我们右边已经shutdown了。OK， shutdown。
Yes.
帮我们推登机梯哦，谢谢。
先开门。
好。
好，先离线了，先离线了。
谢谢，帮我们开门，谢谢。
所以两个都shut down了。
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.